Moody, how far now? Where you go now?
I don't get joy. For waiting now, I don't get joy.
Wait happen.
Maybe get one day 3 weeks ago. The guy don't chop my money, bill me, do everything. Last time I just give her 25k. She want buy Christmas Gucci belt. 25k for waist. Waiting you want put on for waiting now. Now I don't tell her say I don't do it again. I don't break up. Now see now I don't vex. I go collect my money back. What is spent for since day one? She must give me back. See
Now how much be that? How much be that?
This girl she chop me 355k for just 3 weeks.
Now wow.
Just imagine 6 months. How much you go chop?
No be juju if you do that.
How you think 355k for waiting now?
For this kind of weather, this